Right, this video we're going to explain why it's good to, instead of putting an oil catch can on, direct it so it just goes onto the road.
Yeah, so why do we do that?
We don't care about oil onto the road.
Why do we
This
do
is oil
that?
white and it's rubbish anyway. So what we do is, instead of that one there, that was the normal outlet and it went to the air.
Something like
Went to the air filter.
this bit here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not connected to anything?
No, it's like I took it off and put a bung in it. And that's where it come out, flows all the way down, goes down here, and I put it down there. And that's what that is.
Oh, is that like a little... Oh,
Yeah,
looks
nice
like
cool air for it, but
that
mainly
looks like a little mini air filter.
it is, yes, it is.
It's like this.
It is, yeah. And that's pumping out the crankcase pressure.
Okay.
So it's nice and nice even pressure in there. And that's done by a nice bit of what's it called?
Tubing.
That's from a tumble dryer.
Tumble
No,
dryer?
dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Yeah.
Sweet.
And hopefully that won't cause any pressure build up and blow any head gaskets. That's the best way to do it, I reckon.
And guys, that's
and
just
also
an
we got that one there,
amazing use of
That is, yeah, it's called recycling.
It's called recycling, yes.
And we got this one here that just drilled a hole into the, this bit here, I drilled a hole into the what's it called, the cap, and that releases pressure as well.
Lid.
So it's like spread 50-50.
That's so like...
The pressure's spread 50-50 now, so
By the way,
we
hi.
shouldn't have any problems. But the good thing is, because this is blocked up,
What? Let me tell that.
because that's blocked,
Oh, yeah.
and it wasn't, it's sucking in horrible oil and stuff, and it's connected to this, the air filter,
Big
which
air
in return went down to the turbo,
Big air filter.
pumped oil through here, so I took out the outlet
What's this?
when I did the boost gauge,
Oh, the wide going into there.
the one,
Tube.
no, the big tube there, going up to there.
Wait, can I ask something quick?
that?
What's this?
That's just the,
What's this? Caps and something.
what's it called, the fuel pumps, not pump, injectors. But look,
My hand's so messy.
that one there, I emptied that and it's full of oil.
Oh.
Because it's all connected up normally. Because the people at Renault are very good at it. So I bung that up and there's plenty of loads of tape in it. Bunged it up and there's more pressure from the boost going through to that and through to the engine. So it gives you an extra like about 20 psi. So that's tip number one.
Go down them.
Let's go.